Hey everyone, I'm giving you a first look at the Keynote platform. We'll start from the everyday user experience in Keynote Chat, then move through integrations, agents, automation features like schedules and webhooks, document processing, dashboards, and knowledge layers behind the scenes. And finally, the admin controls that make the whole system enterprise ready. After I log in, I land on the Keynote Chat, which is the front door to the platform. Think of it as your conversational workspace across all connected enterprise systems. It's not just enterprise search. Users can ask questions, get grounded answers from company knowledge, and trigger actions or write operations when workflows are configured. One interface for both reading and doing work. But chat is only as powerful as what it's connected to. Let me show you what's actually feeding it. Integrations power everything in chat by creating secure connections to messaging apps, CRMs, file storage, or business systems. This gives answers and actions real enterprise context. Now that we have data flowing in, here's where you actually put it to work. My agents is where it gets really powerful. This is modular agent architecture. Notice how every agent is a standalone, specialized building block. Teams aren't stuck with one generic assistant. They get a library of modular agents that snap together like Lego blocks. Agents are great on demand, but what if they ran themselves? That's exactly what schedules do. Schedules run these modular agents automatically, whether it's daily reports, weekly summaries, or compliance checks. You just set the schedule once, and the platform handles the rest. Webhooks trigger agents on external events like email received or Jira ticket created. Together with schedules, this turns modular agents into a full automation platform. All this automation is running. Now let's see what it's actually doing. Dashboards make everything measurable. This is where AI stops being magic and starts being business. Teams can see trends and view data collected by their agents with the help of interactive graphs that can be filtered and even shared with anyone across your organization. The key here is visibility. AI shouldn't be a black box hiding behind a chat window. Dashboards surface what's actually happening across the platform. Metrics show you what happened. Collections control what agents know. This is the knowledge layer. Collections is the retrieval layer. Knowledge organized so every modular agent pulls from trusted enterprise data first, making all responses grounded and reliable. You can add any number of files and have the platform consolidate it as a knowledge base for your agents. You can even visualize your data as a graph. My file centralizes documents that power search, agent workflows, and processing, everything in one governed place. Most enterprise documents aren't clean and structured, they're messy. That's exactly what IDP solves. Intelligent document processing is where things get really practical. This turns messy unstructured documents like invoices, contracts, forms, handwritten notes into clean structured data. The impressive part, it handles scanned PDFs and even handwritten content. Suddenly, that box of vendor paperwork or customer forms becomes instantly searchable and usable in workflows. This is massive enterprise value. You've seen the user side. Now let's look at how you govern all of it. The admin page provides governance across the entire platform. Audit logs track every action. Agent management lets you see which agents are configured, and also webhook and scheduler management pages. Keynote starts simple, one chat interface, but reveals incredible depth, secure integrations, modular agents that scale like building blocks, automation across schedules and webhooks, measurable dashboards, grounded knowledge, document intelligence, and enterprise governance. That's the progression from assistant to platform. Next video, I'll build one of these modular agents live.